You've probably heard of rosemary and castor oil for hair growth, but there is one powerful oil that almost no one is talking about, and it might just be the best kept secret for healthier, thicker hair. In this video, I'm revealing the benefits of Bhringraj oil, what it is, how it works to promote hair growth, and the best way to use it for maximum results. Let's get into it. First things first, what in the heck is Bhringraj oil anyways? Well, let me tell you, it is not your average hair growth oil. That's for sure. Bhringraj is this ancient Ayurvedic herb that's been used for centuries in India. They call it the king of herbs, or false daisy. Sounds pretty regal, right? I mean, if it's fit for a king, it's gotta be good, right? But here's the thing. Despite being this powerhouse oil for hair growth, hardly anyone's talking about it. It's like the ultimate underdog story. You see, Bhringraj is loaded with all of these bioactive compounds that wake up your lazy hair follicles, and it gets the blood flowing back to your scalp. It's like a triple shot espresso for your hair roots. So why isn't everyone and their grandma using this stuff? Well, it doesn't have that same marketing budget as coconut oil or castor oil. Those guys are like the popular kids in school. Everybody knows them, but Bhringraj is more like that quiet kid in the back of the class, but he's secretly a genius. Plus, it's not as easy to find it in your local Walmart or Target. You gotta do some digging online or hit up a specialty store, but trust me, the extra effort is worth it. So now that we know what Bhringraj oil is, let's dive into how it actually works its magic on your mane. First off, it gets right down to the root of the problem, literally. Bhringraj oil is like a personal trainer for your hair follicles. It improves blood circulation in your scalp, which is crucial for delivering nutrients to your hair roots. Think of it like sending a care package to your follicles. But that's not all. Bhringraj oil is also packed with antioxidants that fight inflammation and oxidative stress. Say that 3 times fast, right? Oxidative stress, there we go. These are like the evil villains of hair loss. They damage your hair follicles and make them shrivel up faster than a raisin out in the sun. But Bhringraj oil comes in like a superhero to save the day. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Stalin, that sounds great and all, but where's the proof? Well, buckle up, my friend, because I got receipts. There was this study where they treated subjects with Bhringraj oil, and guess what? They saw a significant increase in hair follicle activity. It's like Bhringraj oil gave those follicles a wake-up call and said, hey, it's time to get back to work. And it's not just some new age mumbo-jumbo either. Ayurvedic practitioners have been using this for centuries to treat all kinds of hair loss, from good old male pattern baldness to alopecia. But don't just take my word for it. Plenty of peeps have shared their own success stories online. They're like walking, talking billboards of before and after photos online. Now, I know it's hard to visualize what's going on beneath the surface of your scalp, so picture this. Microscopic footage of your hair follicles before using Bhringraj oil. They're looking a little sluggish and sleepy. But after a few weeks of treatment, bam! Those follicles are standing at attention, ready to pump out some serious hair growth. It's like giving your scalp a shot of adrenaline and a pep talk while you're at it. So there you have it, the science behind how Bhringraj oil helps with hair growth. But hey, knowing is only half the battle. G.I. Joe! In the next section, we'll dive into how to actually use this liquid gold for maximum results. Make sure you stay tuned. All right, so you're sold on the benefits of Bhringraj oil and you're ready to give it a go. But hold up, there's a right way and a wrong way to use this powerful substance. First, you gotta decide between pure Bhringraj oil or an infused blend. Pure Bhringraj oil is like the straight up, no nonsense option. It's great if you want full potency of the herb. But if you're looking for a little extra oomph, an infused oil that combines Bhringraj with other hair-loving ingredients might be the way to go. Now, let's talk application. You can't just slap this stuff on your head and call it a day. No, you gotta put a little bit of elbow grease in it. Massage that oil into your scalp like you mean it. This helps boost absorption and gets that blood circulating. But do you leave it in? Do you wash it out? Well, that depends on your hair type, really. If you've got fine or oily hair, you might want to use it as a pre-shampoo treatment and rinse it out after an hour or so. But if you've got thick, dry, or curly hair, feel free to leave it in overnight for a deep conditioning treat. And hey, why stop at just Bhringraj oil? This puppy plays well with others. Try mixing it with a little bit of castor oil, rosemary, or black seed oil for an extra growth boost. It's like the Avengers of hair oils. Together, they're unstoppable. But here's the thing. Consistency is key. You can't just use Bhringraj oil once and expect to wake up with a lion's mane. No, you gotta put in the work. You gotta make it a regular part of your routine. Use it a couple times a week and give it at least a month or two to work its magic. And if you really want to step up your game, you want to kick it up a notch, I've got a special treat for you. I've created my very own Mane Growth Elixir that combines Bhringraj oil with over 40 other growth boosting botanicals. It's like the superhero team up of the hair oils. If you want to take the guesswork out of your hair growth journey, give it a try. I'll pop a link down below for you. All right, so let's recap what we've learned today. 1. Bhringraj oil is the hidden gem of hair growth. It's been around for centuries, but it doesn't get that same hype that other oils do. 2. It works by improving scalp circulation, fighting inflammation, and strengthening your hair follicles. 3. For best results, use it consistently and do not be afraid to mix it with other oils. At the end of the day, if you're struggling with hair loss, it's very easy to get caught up with the latest trends and miracle products, but sometimes the answer has been right under our noses all along, in nature. Bhringraj oil is proof that you don't need fancy chemicals or expensive treatments to get the hair of your dreams. You just need a little bit of ancient wisdom and some good old-fashioned dedication. So go ahead and give Bhringraj oil a try, and if you want to take your hair growth to the next level, don't forget to check out my Mane Growth Elixir. Your hair and your confidence will thank you. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more natural hair growth tips and tricks. And keep an eye out for this video next, because I will be diving into the ultimate defense against DHT, the hair loss hormone. Trust me, you will not want to miss it.